and welcome to HCN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clinton D'Souza, and here are the top stories. Now, TMC National Vice President Luisin Falero, who will be elected to the Rajya Sabha unopposed, has said that he would raise the issues of unemployment, inflation, coal, Made, inflation, economic meltdown, and mining in the Indian Parliament. Mamata Banerjee has made a big sacrifice by asking one of her colleagues to resign and give a voice to Goa in the parliament. TMC will fight to resume legal mining in Goa, says the Vice President of TMC, Luisin Falero. He has been recently elected to the Rajya Sabha unopposed, said that he would raise the issues of unemployment, inflation, coal, Made, economic meltdown and mining in the Indian Parliament. Luisin also said the TMC is not here to divide the votes but to give Goans good voice in the Parliament and good governance and a good government. We don't want a Gujarat, Delhi or Bengal model. All we want is Goa model decided by the Goans. Watch.
देखो हांव पयले सुवातेर आभार मानता ममता दीदीचे कित्याक शी हॅज डिलिवर्ड शी हॅज टेकन अ डिसिजन टू टेक द प्रॉब्लम्स difficulties and the voice of Goa in the Indian Parliament, not by sending one MP from Goa. You must be aware that the second largest opposition in the Indian Parliament is TMC. We will have nearly 40 MPs supporting the issues of Goa and Goans, and you will see on the first day of the Parliament on 29th of this month when the Parliament starts that TMC is not come here to divide the vote. TMC has put its footsteps on the sacred soil of Goa to ensure that Goans get a good voice in the Parliament, Goans get a good governance, Goans get a good government which Goans richly deserve. Goans are asking for a change and a credible change, whether it is BJP, whether it is Congress or whether it is any other party. We don't want a Gujarat model. We don't want a Delhi model. We don't want any model, or we don't want a model from Bengal. We want a Goa model. And a Goa model will be when Goans decide it. I have said Luisin Falero has not come here to take the retirement benefit. Luisin Falero has been a fighter. There are many young journalists, and I always admire when I see young journalists. But the older journalist has seen Luisin Falero in 1980. You have seen me. I led from the front to make Konkani the official language, to fight for statehood, to fight for employment. People today are promising the sky and the moon and the jobs and this. But we are not going to give empty promises. And when they have sold 13 MLAs to the BJP, actually there were 15, you will come to know afterwards who were the 15. When they sold their MLAs to BJP, तांणी उद्योग आणि धंदो केलो आणि लोकांचो विश्वास, लोकांचे मोलादीक मत जे आहलें, गोंयकारांचे मत जे आहलें, that vote was not for BJP. That vote was against BJP. That vote was for Congress. And therefore we had that day a majority of MLAs. But who sold the MLAs? Who made business and commerce out of the MLAs and out of the vote of the party? This is the big question mark. आणि जे लोक म्हणतात आज की we don't want to divide the secular vote. What are you talking of division? You are in wholesale and not only retail, you are in the wholesale business of not only selling the votes, not only dividing the votes, of selling the MLAs. So आमकां अधिकार कसलो हा गोंयकारां मुखार वचपाक आनी गोंयकारां सांगपाक की आमकां तुमचें मत दियाय म्हूण. तुम्ही लोकांच्या मतांचो उद्योग आनी धंदो केलो. Who sold MLAs? What moral rights you have got to go back to the people and ask for the vote and tell the people don't divide a secular vote?
TMC said that it is for the resumption of sustainable and legal mining as early as possible. We want to reach out to the mining affected people. We will take action after consulting stakeholders, those having knowledge of mining and financial consultants. You will soon see our policy and how we want to restart mining, TMC Vice President Luis Infalero said. He squarely blamed then government of Goa for stopping mining. Who stopped mining? Who put the mining affected on the roads? He questioned. Mining wealth is of the people of Goa and it should come to the people. We will decide this in consultation with the stakeholders, he has assured.
TMC is for the resumption of sustainable and legal mining and as early as possible. This is number one. If you want, I'll repeat it. TMC is strongly in support of starting a sustainable and legal mining as early as possible. And when I say as early as possible, I have got in front of my eyes, in front of me, the mining affected people, the mining affected Goans who have been suffering, who have been in trouble. And we want to reach out to the mining affected people as early as possible. And it is possible. We have to take action, and we will take action after consulting all the stakeholders, and we are doing it right now. We are not going to wait for it. After consulting the people who have got knowledge of it, after consulting the financial consultants, because we don't want Goa to be in the death trap. Goa is not poor, I have always said. Goa is one of the richest states. So we want to bring Goa back on this, and we will take care of it. And you will soon, very soon you will see it. Our policy and how we want to help the mining affected, how we want to restart, because mining had been the backbone of the Goa's economy once upon a time. And we want to have this backbone not finished. Who destroyed mining? Who said all mining is illegal? Who stopped mining? Who put the mining affected people on the roads? And why did you do it? Supreme Court is very clear. They said you start the mining as early as possible. No authority in this country has stopped mining. It is the Goa government, and the people who were in this are the people responsible for stopping the mining in the state of Goa. It's very simple. Who runs the mining is not important. But mining wealth is the wealth of the people of Goa. And this wealth must come to the people of Goa. What is the modus operandi? We will discuss the stakeholders. We will discuss the people who are in the know of it, and we will take a decision in the interest of Goa, interest of mining, and interest of the mining affected.
Many political parties and leaders in the past have assured to restart and fight for mining in the state of Goa. Recently, the debutants in Goan politics, TMC, endorsed into the Goinchi Mati movement and gave a hope of restarting legal mining in the state. Today, HCN spoke to some of the activists on what is their take on Goinchi Mati movement and whether it is possible to restart mining in the state.
3.5 वर्सां माहीत जाली. Almost we are completing, on the verge of completing 4 years now. Mining has been stopped, and for all these years, you see this political drama that is going on. प्रत्येक पॉलिटिशियनांनी मायनिंगाच्या जे बंद जाला ताजेर भांडवल केला, आनी इट इज बोथ वेज. ऑपोजिशनांत आसा तांच्यांनी लोकांक नाचयल्यात, आनी जे ऑपोजिशनांतल्यान जे सत्तेन आसात तांच्यांनी लोकां कडेन खेळ केल्लो आसा. आनी तशें जर पळोवपाक गेलें आता ज्या तरेन ऑल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हॅव जम्प्ड इनटू दिस अगेन द पॉलिटिकल ड्रामा. पीपल शूड बी कॉशियस. लोकांनी कित्याक आमचे कडेन आयज एक 2 किंवा 3 पर्याय आसात. वी हॅव ओनली लेफ्ट विथ ओनली 2 or 3 ऑप्शन्स, and 2 credible options are: one, it has to be the leases has to be auctioned, and the second credible option is from the state-owned corporation. They have only taken a resolution in the assembly to start the mining, but that will तितून पोटा लोकांची भरपाची ना आणि तितून मायनिंग स्टार्ट जावपाचें ना. कित्याक we have been given to understand that the central government is for auctioning of mining leases. So there is a clash between the state government and the central government. आणि ह्या दोगां मदीं जी मतभेद आसात ते मतभेद लोकां पर्यंत पावनासतना तेंच्यांनी ते सोंपोवपाक जाय, समजोवक्यान सोडोवपाक जाय. कित्याक mining has been the backbone of Goa's economy. Yes, there has been a illegal mining. The Supreme Court has come down heavily on the illegal mining, and now it is in the hands of the state government. Viable option before the government is to form the state-owned corporation and run the mining. आणि ह्या इलेक्शनान परत लोकां कडेन खेळ करिनाकात, परत लोकांक आश्वासनां, खोटी आश्वासनां दिवं नाकात. लोकांक जें कितें जाय, कित्याक ultimately you form the state-owned corporation or you auction the leases, because if you auction the leases, the outside players will come in the picture. Then there is a hitch, because what will happen to the existing manpower?
Hotel Park Prime Goa organizes Seafood Festival. Starts from 10th and ends on the 21st of November from 12:30 noon to 3:30 p.m. and 7 to 11 in the night. To serve best authentic seafood to food-loving people of Goa and tourists visiting Goa. The aim is to serve all types of seafood to maximum people at reasonable price. Preparation of seafood in different styles like Indian, Goan, tandoor. Could also be rawa fry, tawa fry and masala fry. You can enjoy live music, welcome drink and gift coupon to all the guests. Excellent professional team to deliver best service. We have Tulip and Marigold multi-cuisine restaurants available to serve all types of food to our valuable guests. Enjoy amazing, fresh, mouth-watering delicacies only at Hotel Park Prime, Goa.
Now, there are 2 parties within the Tiklo family. On Thursday, Wilbur Tiklo, prominent businessman and brother of Aldona BJP MLA Glenn Tiklo's brother, joined the Trinamool Congress, that is TMC, on Thursday. When questioned if he will work or contest against his own brother, he said, "Don't ask me anything about him, that is Glenn. I have not joined to contest against him. I have joined to work for the people. He is my brother, but there is nothing wrong if I join politics."
At the same time, your other brother like Glenn Tiklo has not done anything, and that he has almost gone to the Dala by the Savala Kabar or Yatla.
See, me and my brother, we don't talk politics. I'm a businessman.
I'm not talking in terms of brother, because he said
I don't step into his shoes, he doesn't step into my shoes. Okay, so I know what I'm doing and he knows what he's doing. People of Aldona know what he has done, and if they find him to be done well for himself, I'm sure they will.
Will you campaign against him?
Will you campaign against
Are you
him?
going
I
to
will
sit
campaign
against?
for the party.
No, party where? In which
If-
conference?
All over Goa. All over
Also
Goa.
in
If
Aldona?
Sorry,
TMC
yes, all over Goa.
Sir, if TMC gives you a ticket to contest in Aldona,
No.
will you going to contest?
First, I must want a ticket, right?
You don't want
if
a
I
ticket.
accept the ticket,
You don't
then
want
I
a
will.
ticket.
If I don't want a ticket, why should
So
I?
you don't want a ticket?
I'm not saying if they give me a ticket and they see I'm the best among the rest, I will.
So a politician always speak on ifs and buts.
Now see, I have no ifs and buts. I'm a straightforward guy. And I have no skeleton in my cupboard, so I can take on anybody.
But skeleton आमच्या इचारला सर आम्ही किती इचारला
Simple.
Aldona TMC कडे
त्याने मागील न झालं
I am Madhur Namade. Ticket is not
campaigning बेटा
Of course, I will campaign.
No, they want to know if offered a
they
ticket,
you
He doesn't ask for it.
from
No?
which constituency would you prefer?
That he will decide.
If he's
That's
good,
a-
we'll give
see,
him. If he's
my base is Pororim, my base is Saligaon. I have a choice. Let the people decide. Simple.
if why we are saying few days back we were thinking if Luisin Falero might be given a Rajya Sabha ticket, I did it. If
ते पण आहे.
No, सांगतो big example. तुझ्यान सांगला.
No, but see,
So if Wilbur declared
No. 1 minute, I'll tell you. I never expected Luisin Falero to be appointed as the national vice president. It was a pleasant surprise.
Murgaon councillors have questioned if there is a scam in the restoration of the heritage municipality building of Vasco. If yes, then why was Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida remained silent during his initial stages? City Councillor Shami Salkar pointed out that if at the time of tendering, right specifications were given for restoration, then this problem would not have happened.
जेन्ना ही फायल पुटअप जाल्लेली तेन्ना कावन्सिलर जो आसलेले चेअरमॅनूच जो आसलो तेन्ना तुका खबर आसलेली बाबा हे सगळे गोश्टी घडपाचे आहा म्हणून तेन्नाच तुवें ताका ऑब्जेक्शन कितें हाडूंक ना. आतां तुका ऑब्जेक्शन हाडपाक कितें गरज आहा? तुका दिसता बाबा तूं हें करता स्कॅम म्हणटा न्हू ते स्कॅम आतां हाडून तूं आतां कितें म्हणून सोदता? तूं तेचेर कितें करूंक सोदता? वास्को खातीर कितें म्युनिसिपालिटी ती बरी करूंक सोदता काय स्कॅम म्हणून खाली बोवाळ करून लोकांक सोदता? म्हाजें इतकेंच मागणें वास्कोकार विटल्या वास्कोकार कितें चिंतता कितें बरें करपाचें तुजे कडेन जर बरें करपाक जाय नाजाल्यार तूं कोणाचें वायटूय उलोवं नाका. कित्याक त्या भागान मुरगांवान गोश्टी बऱ्यो घडपाक लागल्या. ते सिवरेज लायनी येयल्यो ते उदकाचो प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आवट जालो 2 उदकाचे बुस्टर बसले पयलीं एक आसलो आतां 2 केले हांगा एकूय ना. हांव इतलेंच मागता कितें करता जाल्यार बरें कितें करून दाखय नाजाल्यार कांय करूंय नाका आनी लोकांचें वायट उलोवय नाका.
म्हाका दिसता जेन्ना कावन्सिलांतल्यान जेन्ना हें वता म्हणजे ही जरी हेरिटेज बिल्डींग नासली न्ही तरी वास्कोची दायज तें इतली पोन्नी बिल्डींग आसा पळय ती खरी म्हणल्यार वेवस्थीत बरे पर्यंत लूक मेंटेन करून ती खंय तरी वास्को खातीर एक म्हणजे ताजो लूक मेंटेन करपाची गरज आशिल्ली. सो तेन्ना जर कावन्सिलान ते स्पेसिफिकेशन जेन्ना जर तुमी दिताले टेंडर हें करपाक करताले तेन्ना खंय तरी जर लक्ष घाल्लें न्ही जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता दीस वूड नॉट हॅव जी स्थिती जाल्यार ती जावची नाशिल्ली.
Hotel Park Prime Goa organizes Seafood Festival. Starts from 10th and ends on the 21st of November from 12:30 noon to 3:30 p.m. and 7 to 11 in the night. To serve best authentic seafood to food-loving people of Goa and tourists visiting Goa. The aim is to serve all types of seafood to maximum people at reasonable price. Preparation of seafood in different styles like Indian, Goan, tandoor could also be rawa fry, tawa fry and masala fry. You can enjoy live music, welcome drink and gift coupon to all the guests. Excellent professional team to deliver best service. We have Tulip and Marigold multi-cuisine restaurants available to serve all types of food to our valuable guests. Enjoy amazing fresh mouth-watering delicacies only at Hotel Park Prime, Goa.
Now the Margao Municipal Council struck work on Wednesday since the civic body did not realize that and released their Diwali bonus. Workers sat on strike and called the authorities to talk to them. Nelo Fernandez, chief officer of Margao Municipal Council, who came to meet the workers, said that he will file a police complaint against the union leader Anish Shirodkar for insulting and abusing him.
There we wanted to resolve that issue. Their demand was for bonus. Main problem is bonus. So I have told the municipal council has a financial difficulty. But I have told them that since they are the weaker section of the society which does work for the city of Margao, I have suggested to them that you try to accommodate them. In the next week you somehow or other arrange this and give them the bonus. The uniform allowance, they said that it can be paid later. Uniform allowance also they have to pay. But that is not an issue. They are not insisting for uniform. They are only requesting them that give Diwali bonus. Normally municipal council used to give bonus at the time of Diwali. In this year they have financial difficulty. So that is why it was delayed. The chairperson and CEO have agreed now. And next week they will try to work out some understanding this and pay the bonus.
This issue seems to have started basically because after October was removed.
No, that also I have asked in the last meeting. We have had discussion wherein we have said that in lieu of October, government should think of compensating all the municipal council. All municipal councils have this problem. Exactly. Suddenly their sizable share has gone of October. So they say that it is submerged into GST. But our thing was that all municipalities were surviving on octroi. Plus now, as per 7th Pay Commission, entire DA is borne by the municipal council. Earlier DA is to be reimbursed by the government.
आमकां सॅलरी दिवपाक लास्ट मंथान सॅलरी दिवपाक आमकां भरपूर त्रास पडले. म्युनिसिपालिटीवर पयसो ना. आमी ते रिकवरी करून ड्रायव्ह करून रिकवरीचे हे करून आमी तांकां सॅलरी फारीक केलेली. सो आमी तांकां कितें जालेलें तर ते मातसो राव म्हणून आतां. आनी मागीर तुमकां सॅलरी कितें ते बोनस आतां आमी दितले म्हणून. ते बोनस इज नॉट एसेन्शियल थिंग्स. बोनस तुका पयशे आसल्यार बोनस दिवपाचो. आनी आमकां कितें रिकवरी जावं नाका आतां. नेक्स्ट मंथा पर्यंत सॅलरी आमकां प्रॉब्लम आहा. सो तांकां समज बोनस जाल्यार नेक्स्ट मंथा सॅलरी तांचो डिले जातलो. आनी कितें आमी तांकां एश्युरन्स दिला कित्याक टायम आहा. बोनस इज नॉट एज दीस. सॅलरी खंय दिवपाक पडटा ओन्ली पयशे जाल्यार सॅलरी दिवपाक पडटली. आतां सीओन आतां कितें जालां आयज तो समज स्ट्रायकाक वयता जाल्यार दे हॅव टू गिव 7 days in notice. अदरवायज दे वील बी सस्पेंड कामां येना जाल्यार.
Now, the local fishermen and fish vendors on Wednesday came out on the streets demanding action against the rampant illegalities going on outside the SGPDA wholesale fish market. Some of the fishermen also allege that parking fees are being charged illegally in the market and near the market. They have demanded action against the SOPO sitting fee contractor.
कित्याक कितें आमगेले कोण मारलो काय म्हैसार पाहिलो. हांवें म्हणलें आमगेले कोण सोपो कलेक्शन करता ते म्हाका खबर ना म्हणलें. म्हणल्यार तो म्हणटा थिंगा अर्ली मॉर्निंग म्हणटा तो इल्लीगल बिजनस चलता. लायक पार्किंगाचे पयशे घेताय म्हणटा तो. आनी कोणी नुस्तें बी घेवपा आयला पळय तेंचे कडेन पार्किंगाचे पयशे आहा. म्युनिसिपालिटी आमी कोणाक हे करूं ना. पार्किंगाक पयशे घेवपाक कोणाक सांगूं ना.
हे हांगा सगळे अस्तव्यस्त पडला. हांगा पीडीए मार्केटान पळय घाण जाल्या. दोपरभर रेबो जाला. हांव चेअरमॅना कडेन रिक्वेस्ट करता पीडीएच्या हांगा येवन एक दोळे उगड. दोळे तुका देवान दिल्या. दोळे उगड आनी पळय हांगा कितें जालां. कुसला किडे पडल्या. हे पळय किडे हांगा भोंवताले आतां. किडे पडल्या पळय म्हणटा हांगा कितें जालां ते. हे आमी लोकांनी खावपाच्यो वस्तू विकता हांगा. खाता आमी व्हरून घरा नुस्तें. हे अशें जायत जाल्यार लोक पॅन्डेमीक चालू आहा. मरतले हांगा हे जायत जाल्यार.
हे रस्तो आहा पळय हो PWD रस्तो. ते आतां हिंगा भायल्या लोकां कडेन पयशे घेताय. तांकां सोपो मेवला. सोपो कित्याक लागून तो जेन्ना कोणी नुस्तें घेता रस्त्याचेर आनी कितें बिजनस एक्टिविटी कॅरी ऑन करतात तेन्ना तांकां रायट आहा पयशे मागपाक. जेन्ना गाडी पार्क जाता तेन्ना तांचे कडेन पयशे मागपाक रायट ना. तेमी पे पार्किंगाचो बोर्ड लावपाक जाय आसलो. कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचें नांव घालपाक जाय आसलें आनी तेन्ना ही एरिया नोटिफाय करपाक जाय आसली पार्किंग एरिया म्हणून. तेन्ना की तेंच्यांनी पार्किंगाचे पयशे घेवपाक जाय. इतली आजरांनी हे पळय मोटरसायकली आहाय लोकांची गाडी आहाय. हे दिसाक लाखांचो स्कॅम हो.
वयर म्हाकाय केला आमगे मारुती येयली कोण मेल माय नुस्त्या गेले दोनी चोण आनी गाडी हांगा आयले. तो द्रावरा 2 हालोयता पयशे मू द्रावर मुज पयले येयलो. माय म्हणा लागलो पयशे मागत हांव गेली. हांवें म्हणलें केसो पयशे जाय गाडये म्हणून लागलो. हांवें तो मनीस मेला तेच बरें होना तूं वयता जाल्यार तूं काय धाडा. जाल्यार हांव कित्याक 50 रुपया गाडी दोन एक किसोन घायल्या 50 रुपया. म्हळ्यार बाजरा सिस्टम आमगे म्हाका स्वता बरें आमी तो एक जाय कसले प्रॉब्लेम ना.
पयर आयतारा एक बारीकसो इन्सिडंट जाल्लो की थंय भायर ते म्युनिसिपालिटीची सोपो घेता कोण आनी थंय हो आमचो लोकल एक फिशरमॅन आहा ताणें कितें गाडी लायिल्ली थंय. आनी तो जेन्ना ताचे कडेन सोपो मागपाक गेलो तेन्ना ताचे कडेन पयशां लागून कितें तांचें आर्गुमेंट जालें आनी ताणें त्या भुरग्यान ताचेर मूठ मारली आनी ताका मागीर इंजुरी जाली. मागीर आमी दोग जाण आमी हांगा हाडिल्ले पुलीस स्टेशनार ताची कंप्लेन घेतिल्ली आनी ताका ताची हें तुगेली सिंपल इंजुरी आशिल्ली आनी ताका मागीर वॉर्न केल्लो आनी मागीर तांकां वचपाक दिलें. सो आज ताचे थोडे फोटोनच ते हाजे ताजे एसोर्ट जालें ताका मात थंय हें करपाक प्रोटेस्ट करपाक थंय जमिल्ले. सो ते आतां हांगा म्हाका विजीट करपाक आयिल्ले रिगार्डींग टू आस्क दॅट अबावट दॅट इन्सिडंट. सो तांचें आयकून घेतलें हांवें कितें आसा तें आनी हांवें तांकां सांगलें की हांव कितें आहा तें लिगली करतलो आनी हांव कितें आहा तें कायदेशीर करतलो त्या इन्सिडंटाचेर आनी आय वील गिव जस्टीस टू हिम.
Hotel Park Prime Goa organizes Seafood Festival. Starts from 10th and ends on the 21st of November from 12:30 noon to 3:30 p.m. and 7 to 11 in the night. To serve best authentic seafood to food-loving people of Goa and tourists visiting Goa. The aim is to serve all types of seafood to maximum people at reasonable price. Preparation of seafood in different styles like Indian, Goan, tandoor could also be rawa fry, tawa fry and masala fry. You can enjoy live music, welcome drink and gift coupon to all the guests. Excellent professional team to deliver best service. We have Tulip and Marigold multi-cuisine restaurants available to serve all types of food to our valuable guests. Enjoy amazing fresh mouth-watering delicacies only at Hotel Park Prime, Goa.
Now, a joint meeting organized between the MMC and Vasco fish market vendors turned furiously heated as the fish vendors refused to shift to the temporary shade. They demanded again to totally stop wholesalers from selling fish outside the market.
आम्ही आमच्या नुस्तेकारां भाव भयणांक आमचे ते टेम्पररी शेड फॉर नुस्तेकारांक बांदला तेतून शिफ्ट जावपाक रिक्वेस्ट करपाक मिटींग आपयल्ली. त्या मिटिंगेन तेंचे जे पॉयंट्स आसले ते आमी सगळे तांकां सॉल्व करून दिल्ले आहा. फॉर एग्जांपल सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार तांकां ID कार्ड दिल्ले आहा आनी ते होलसेल मार्केट आहा ते बी टायम बींग बंद केल्ले आहा आनी तांकां त्या प्रमाणे तेंचे सगळे ह्या ग्रिवन्सीस आहा ते आमी फुलफील केल्ले आहा आनी त्या प्रमाणे तांकां आमी टेम्पररी शेड बांदला तांकां नुस्तेकारांक तेतून शिफ्ट जा म्हणून सांगपाक हे केल्लें.
सद्याच्या मिटिंगेन कितें जालां की ठरलां?
सद्याच्या आज जे आपयल्या भितर तेंचे कडल्यान आमकां जाय तसो रिस्पॉन्स मेळोंक ना. ते कितें एग्रीमेंट मागता, एग्रीमेंट करून दी मागता आनी ते कायद्या प्रमाणे आमी एग्रीमेंट करपाक शकना आमी.
पळय आयज कितें आहा होलसेल लोकांक बंद केलां म्युन्सिपाल्टीन. हें बरी गजाल आहा. फर्स्ट टायम म्युन्सिपाल्टीन इलिगल सेल ऑफ फिशाचेर कायदो इम्प्लिमेंट केला आनी तो कायदो आसा म्हणून तेणेन इम्प्लिमेंट केलो. आतां अशें आहा की अशें आयकूंक येता की मार्केट जी आहा 30 वर्साची मायज मार्केट ती हूंय नोटिफायड जावना. जोरी ती नोटिफाय जावना जाल्यार 30 वर्सां कोण कितें विकतालो त्या मार्केटीन? नुस्तेंच विकतालो न्ही. सो आयज ते मनीस जे पळय बोट घालता तांकां हांव विचारपाक सोदता की तेंची पळय एरिया ते विकता तांकां कितें तरी परमिशन आहा इन्क्लुडींग द प्लेस वेर दे सेलिंग इट. सगळें इलिगल आहा. पूण तुमी आपणाचे फूत एक 2-3 मनशां खातीर 300 फॅमिलीक तुमी फोंडाक उडोवपाक सोदता. सो आमी क्लियर आसा. आमी CO कलेक्टराक सांगपाक सोदता की मार्केट हो अनलेस आमकां सारकें बरोवन दिता आनी हो मार्केट खऱ्यांनी फिशरमॅनाक तुमी दितलें हें आमकां एश्युरेशन जाय. आनी हें सपोज आमकां मेळना आमी ह्या मार्केटींतल्यान कशें भायर वयचे ना. कित्याक हो मार्केट नुस्तेकाराचो.
किती वर्सां आतां लास्ट 35 years ती आतां थंयसर विकून येयलेली आनी प्लस चीफ ऑफिसरान आनी म्युन्सिपालिटीन ऑल्सो रेजोल्युशन आहा आनी कायद्या प्रमाणे ह्या बाजारा भायर विकूंक जायना म्हणून हो तेणी रेजोल्युशन केल्लें आहा आनी तेणी डायरेक्शनूय दिल्लें आहा वीथ द रिटन. ऑफिशियली तर पळोवंक गेलें जाल्यार इट इज लायक दीस नोटिफाय करूंक ना म्हणून दे कॅनॉट से दे कॅन परमीट द सेल ऑफ द फिश आउटसायड मार्केट. इट इज एडमिटेड फॅक्ट हो मार्केट ऑफिशियल.
रस्त्यावयली काढली वगर आनी मजराक लावपा दिवची नाही आनी आमी बाजारात तरी उलट मारली हात लायली वगर ह्या बैल रस्त्यावयली काढ आनी माझी आमची बकरी बांदपाक दिनाय. बाजार आमी बांदलो आमचो कश्टाचो पण आमी बाजार करू ना. तेन्ना आमी कितकोन दिता केन्नाचे आमी गाजरा नुस्तें घेता 4 दीस निघताय जाल्यार आमच्या भुरग्यांक बाबा कितकोन पोसतले आमी. भुरगें आसता वयर काड.
The festival of glamour, films, art, and real cinema is here. With just 2 days to go before the 52nd International Film Festival of India, excitement is in the air. And here are the glimpses of the preparation in the capital city.
ऑलमोस्ट मरे 2 दीस पावसान आमचें काम मातशें स्लो जालें पूण आमी डेडलायन आमची दवरले 20 तारखेर सकाळी पासून कंप्लीट कशे भशेन करतलेच आमी. पूण ते मातशें पावसाच्या खातीर आमकां पावसान मातसो साथ दिल्या पुरो आमकां जाता इतले बेगीन आमी करूंक ट्राय करता.
ओके. कशें डेकोरेशन आसा आनी कितें म्हणून आसा तुमच्या एका
ह्या वर्सा थीम तेंची पिकॉकूच आसता पूण आमी मातशे वेगळे तरेचे पिकॉक्स हेका केल्या. आमच्या ह्या वर्सा हांगा तूं पळयत जाल्यार दोनापावल पेरगोलास गोवन थीम केल्या. गोवा एट 60 केला. गोवा एट 70 म्हणजे इंडिया एट 75 अमृत महोत्सव तो केल्ले आसा. तशें आमच्या फुडल्यान रेड कार्पेटी जे आसा. अंदू डिफरंट टायप्स ऑफ मोरांचे केल्ले. आमी अंदू आमी अशें केल्लें आसा म्हणजे बल्बान सुद्दां आमी मोर दाखोवपाचे आसा जे आर्मिचराचे मोर आसा अंदू म्हणजे वेगळे वेगळे प्रकारचे अंदू आमी मातशे डिफरंट टायप्स ऑफ मोर पिकॉक्स केल्ले आसा त्या पूर्ण इतिहासान म्हाका आमी जे आतां इतलीं वर्सां कामां करता पूण इतलो टास्क आमकां म्हणजे हो सारको डिफिकल्ट टास्क म्हटल्यार पडटा काम कंप्लीट जाला पूण पावसान लावपाक मेळना तेजेर उदक पडटा आनी पावस म्हणजे बारीक पावस न्हू आनी हो पावसा सिजन काय आमी विचार सुद्दां करूंक नासले येदो मोठो पावस आसतलो म्हणून पावसान आमकां खुबशे वयर सकयल जाल्लें पूण आमी एक डेडलायन धरल्या की आमी कशे भशेन करून दाखयतलेच म्हणून
ओके आनी एक दीस म्हणल्यार जाता ह्यो 1-2 दीस उरल्या तुमकां
आजचो एक दीस आनी फाल्यांच्या दिसा भितर आमी जाता तितलो ट्राय करता सगळें कंप्लीट करता.
That's all we have in today's ACN Evening News Bulletin. Thank you for watching ACN.